Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to stream using Kick. Firstly, go to kick.com and sign up for a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the creator dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Settings, then Stream Key. Copy both of your stream URL and stream key. You'll need these for OBS. Now, launch OBS Studio on your computer, then click File, Settings, and Stream. For service, choose Custom. Pass the copied stream URL into the server field and pass the stream key into the stream key box. Click Apply, then OK. In OBS, go to Settings, Output. Change output mode to Advanced. Under the Streaming tab, set bitrate to at least 6000 kilobytes and set keyframe interval to 2. Set profile to high, then choose an encoder, use X264 for CPU encoding or use NVENC or AMD for GPU-based encoding if available, then click Apply and OK. Now go back to your Kick creator dashboard, edit, stream info, then set your stream title and choose the game category you'll be streaming, then click Save to confirm your stream info. In OBS, click the Start Streaming button, wait a few seconds. When OBS shows live or stop streaming, your Kick stream is live. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.